Okay, so now that you've started pumping out the video content, you may notice that the size of these files can be huge, especially if you're creating longer form content. Not only does it take up more real estate on your hard drives, but you can spend hours waiting for them to upload to all the platforms. In this video, I'm going to explain why having fast upload speeds are crucial when running a business, and I'm going to dish out a few tips and tricks to get the most out of your internet so you're not having to sleep in the office overnight while waiting for those vids to upload. So when I first started producing videos for clients, I noticed I was spending more time uploading the vids than actually working on them. I'd drive down the road to where the Wi-Fi was fast, use my phone as a tethering device, and upload the vids while sitting on the side of the road. The difference was astronomical. Traveling 20 minutes down the road to where upload speeds were fast would mean I would have everything uploaded in 5 minutes as opposed to 5 hours. So the time was definitely worth it. But this wasn't the most efficient way to do business, and I was using my own data, so things got expensive. So let's get stuck into a few tips and tricks so you're not sitting on the side of the road. So the first thing I did was download this brilliant little speed testing app called Ookla. This will tell you the current upload and download speeds. The number we're interested in is the upload speed. If it's under 10 megabits per second and you've got a 1 gig video to upload to YouTube, you may have to go grab some lunch while it does its thing. The aim of the game is to not have to make 3 cups of tea while you're waiting for your video to either stream or upload. To maximize speeds in the office, place the modem, if possible, in a central location. Wi-Fi can travel through walls, but it's not Casper the Ghost. So if it's at the opposite end of the office and it has to travel through 4 solid brick walls to get to you, it may not be as fast as Betty's internet, who's sitting right beside the modem. Distance is another factor also, so the closer the better. Likewise, if everyone in the office is watching YouTube instead of working, then internet speeds may take a dive. In this case, you may have some other problems to deal with. Weather can also be affected. So on rainy days, the wet weather can interfere with the Wi-Fi signals. So something just to be mindful of if you find yourself yelling at your computer. Connecting an Ethernet cable from the modem to your computer can also help speed things up. A wired connection is always better than a wireless one, and all these little things add up to help save you time and run a more efficient business. When exporting your video, and most platforms love the codec H.264, you're going to get a high quality image that will shrink the file size to something manageable for the internet. If all else fails, I would seriously consider moving to a location that has faster internet. I'm serious. Give 2 weeks notice and call the removalists. It should be the first question you ask the real estate agent on inspection, not does this come in blue or how far is the nearest coffee shop. Or if the coffee shop has fast internet, I'll be looking to hook into their internet while getting your buzz on. Remember, time is precious and internet speed should be the least of your worries when running a business. Anyhow, hope you got some good stuff out of this. Don't forget to subscribe or wherever you may be watching this video, and have a winning week.